Good morning, children. Today we will do some questions given on page number 14 of your maths book. So, let us start. The women of Meenkar Bank want to start a factory to dry fish. Below things they need to buy. See the table and answer the following. Here you can see in this table items are given. Price of each item is known, number of item is known. Now you have to find out cost of every item as required to the factory. So let us start with borewell. So borewell, they need one and its price is 3000 rupees. So what is the cost of borewell will be rupees 3000. Now second one is, if you can see this table, bamboo rack. So bamboo rack, cost of one bamboo rack is 2000 rupees and they need 20 bamboo rack. So given for one and ask for many, what you have to do? Multiply. So cost of bamboo rack will be, bamboo rack they need 20 and cost of one bamboo rack is 2000 rupees. So 2 twos are 4 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will put 4 zeros here. So now what is this? 40,000 rupees. Now third one is, you can see cement tank and one cement tank cost is 1000 rupees and they need 4. So same way you will calculate the cost of cement tank. So let us calculate for tank, cement tank. They need 4 and price of each tank is 1000. So what is the price? 4000 rupees. Now fourth item is tray and knife. Cost of each tray and knife is rupees 300 and they need 20. So similarly you will multiply these two numbers. So tray and knife, they need how much? 20. 20 multiplied by 300 because cost of each tray and knife is 300. So its price will be 3 twos are 6 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 6000 rupees. Now fifth one is bucket. Each bucket cost is rupees 75, you can see, and they need 20 buckets. So again you will multiply to find the cost of 20 buckets. So 20 bucket they need and cost of each bucket is 75. So this will be 75 twos are 150 and this 0. Up now children, total cost to set up the factory. What you will do? You will add all the prices of these items. So let us add all the ones places having 0. So it will be 0. All the tens place having 0. So 0. 100 place 5. 1000 place 6, 1, 7, 4, 11. 11 and 3, 14, 4. Carry over 1. 1 and 4, 1, 5. So total cost to set up the factory is, total cost to set the factory is rupees 54,500. Now just see B question. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kilogram of fresh. How much dried fish will they get in month? So children, here when you dry fresh fish, the dry fish becomes 1/3 of the fresh fish. And what they have decided, they have decided they will dry 6,000 kilogram of fresh fish. So dry fish will be 6,000 kg, one third of 6,000 kg. One third of 6,000 kg. Now you can solve it. You know that how to solve. 1 by 3 of means multiplication 6,000. Now you know all the numerators will be multiplied together, so it will become 6,000 and denominators 3. And now when you will divide 6 divided by 3, it will come 2 and 3 zeros. So 6,000 kg fresh fish equal to 2,000 kilogram dried fish. Now children, so it means they get 2,000 kilogram dried fish in a month. Now let us see third question. Floramma, let us first calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. And here you know we buy fresh fish for rupees 15 per kg and we sell dried fish for rupees 70 per kg. On the basis of this information, you have to calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. So first of all, we will calculate how much dried fish will you get when you dry 6 kilogram of fresh fish. So let us start. Fresh fish is 6 kg. So dried fish will become one third of 6 kg. Again you will solve it. 1 by 3 of means multiplication by 6 upon 1. Here numerator will be multiplied together 6 and 3 ones are 3. So when you will divide this two number, it will become 2 kg. It means 6 kg fresh fish is equal to 2 kilogram dried fish. And now children, what you have to calculate? For 6 kg fresh fish, how much we have to pay? If cost of 1 kg of fresh fish is 15 rupees per kg. So it's very simple. Cost of 1 kg of fresh fish is equal to rupees 15. So cost of 6 kg of fresh fish. How will you calculate? Given for 1 and ask for many. Multiply. 15 6 are 90 rupees. So cost of 6 kilogram of fresh fish will be 90 rupees. What you will do here? 6 multiplied by 15. And now we will sell 2 kilogram dried fish and get how much amount? 1 kg dried fish selling price is 70 rupees. Selling price of 1 kg of dried fish is equal to rupees 70. So selling price of 2 kg of dried fish. What you will do? Multiply. 70 multiplied by 2, that is rupees 140. Now here children, you have to find out now. So if we dry 6 kg of fresh fish, how much we will earn? So to calculate the earning, what you have to do? You have to subtract the selling price and cost price of the fish. So earning will be earning for 6 kg fish, that will be rupees 140 minus rupees 90. When you will subtract this, 0 minus 0, 0, 14 minus 9, 5. So rupees 50 is earning. Now what you have to calculate, for 6 kg of fish, if you dry 6 kg of fish, then how much you will pay? So for that, what you will do, for 6 kg fish, we earn rupees 50. So for 1 kg, what we will get? Less money. Less means divide 50 divided by 6. Up now forget this first statement and just have a look here. 1 kg fresh fish, for 1 kg fresh fish, we earn rupees 50 by 6. So for 6,000 kilogram fish, we will earn 50 by 6 multiplied by 6,000. Given for 1, ask for 6,000. So now we will solve this. Here you can see 6, here 6. So we will divide this. How much it will come? 1. And here 3 zeros. So you will write 3 zeros. Now in between these two numbers there is a multiplication sign. So 5 ones are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So what are the earning when they sell 6,000 kilogram of fresh fish after drying? They will earn rupees 50,000. So children, this was about the question. Hope you all have understood. So please do this sum in your copy. Thank you.